What's going on, guys? I'm back with another video and we're gonna review some charts in here, and I'm gonna give you some examples how this rejection from here could happen and we might see a drop. All right, I'm not gonna really go over the XY and USDT dominance again because I already covered those. I don't have to go over it every time. I want to give you some new stuff. I want to educate you on new stuff about the charts. Okay. All right, it's gonna be a fun one, so make sure to stick around to the end of the video. You will learn something in here. Okay, so we're gonna first go over a smaller picture, one example on the demand and supply and the support and resistance, and how charts can actually react in different prices and have different price actions. Okay, and then we're gonna have this as our example to see how this resistance can work out. All right, so I want you guys to focus to this area, actually to this area. Okay, I'm gonna zoom in now. All right, so anytime you see a rally up like crazy, right? And when you see most of these green candles, let me actually make it wider so you can see the green candles better. There we go. So when we actually, let me make it bigger. So when you guys actually see a bunch of green candles, right? And you see one red in the middle, almost to where there used to be supply in here, and we are meeting that level, and we see it breaks above and goes higher. Most likely, if price gets rejected on top in here, it will most likely go back and retest this area. And this is what exactly happened. It came back down, and this red candle is indicator that there is a very nice support in here. Okay, so you got it till here, right? And any questions you guys have, please comment and I will answer you guys. And if it wasn't clear, just ask me your questions. I can make another video and be more clear if it's too confusing. I don't think it is confusing because you guys are all smart. All right, so this is what happened, and went up, and it could not hold it and went back down. Same thing again happened. Price found support, went up very sharp, and slowly went back down, and there was a sharp drop back to exact same level. And right as we saw this support in here, we found the support. It was still going above, and after it dropped below, a lot of this manipulation here, this is a fake out, which means a lot of people actually entered into short position because they were like, okay, this is a base drop, so we're going to see another drop to here. And also this candle closed below all of these candles, right? These are all daily candles, so this was a really good indicator. Technically, if it was going to work out well, it was supposed to be a drop, base, drop pattern, right? But as you see, a lot of people, I'm pretty sure a lot of people got into short, and instead of dropping, it went back up. So those future orders all got liquidated, right? And prices started going back up. All right, and so we're gonna go a little bit zoom out. So now you guys kind of understand how this supply and demand and resistance and support works, right? Okay, so we're gonna zoom out. Actually, let me go to weekly chart. That is better. All right, so we have a lot of indicators here that we can actually work out the same. Just imagine, this is upside down. I don't want to actually bother taking a screenshot and doing upside down in here, but you guys just imagine the same thing. So imagine this as a bigger picture working this way, the opposite side. This was going from bottom, going higher and dropping back down, right? So this one right here, there is a supply in here, so there is a high chance, there's a high probability that Bitcoin will probably go meet these levels, at least have a sharp shadow just to meet this supply area, right? And after it hits that area, it might not even go up here because a lot of people are expecting that. So a lot of these big investors are not gonna work out the obvious thing, you know. As you guys saw that how this fake out worked in here, I was zooming out on I was just explaining about the base drop, right? So it could actually fake out because it's already meeting this shadow. That's why it has slowed down. This price has been around here for a couple of days now, right? And it has slowed down. And let me just actually, it doesn't hurt to show it again. So I was talking about this USDT dominance as right at 5.61. So it shows that it's trying to actually break below this. And this is the same thing. We have this level of support in here, and that's why it has trouble going down. So Bitcoin cannot actually make any new highs, right? So going back to Bitcoin in here, so there is a high chance that Bitcoin comes here, plays in here for a couple of weeks, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, we don't know. It could be a sharp comeback like this, or it could just play out a couple of times, go back down, go up. It just plays around because the exchanges and liquidation works the most in these kind of sideways, because a lot of people think they were going to go higher, then it breaks below, it liquidates all those longs, then goes back up, liquidates all those shorts, and it keeps doing that, right? So there is a high chance that we could either go up, meet this area, or even start dropping from here, or keep going sideways until we see a sharp drop. So it all depends on when bigger investors are going to play that out, okay, and how they're going to do it. So there is a huge resistance here that Bitcoin had a lot of reactions around this area. So do not expect, as I said, well, we saw a sharp going up, and it does not have to be just keep going up. It would be really crazy seeing just all keep going like with green candles, right? So I'm expecting Bitcoin to actually start dropping back down pretty soon. We see this RSI, and as I mentioned, is going to the green area, overbought territory. All of these charts are screaming. DXY is finding support. I think it's going to keep going up, and we're going to see drop for Bitcoin and other assets. All right, so this is another update, and I tried to actually teach you guys a little bit of charts reading and technical analysis. I hope that helped. If it did, please like and subscribe, and ask me any questions you have. If you want me to cover any technical analysis for any particular coin, I will do that for you guys. I really appreciate every single one of you. I want to say that every time. And welcome to new subscribers. We are keep going up on subscribers, and thank you so much. I'm glad that I am useful here, and I'm teaching you guys, and you guys enjoy my videos. Thank you so much. I will see you in the next video.